Hello everyone, Happy New Year. It's 2019 and with the new year I have decided to offer personalized and individual tutoring lessons in art. Mostly digital, but I will also consider doing acrylic painting info if y'all want. It's going to be just $20 for an hour. It's going to be one-on-one private tutoring on the subject of your individual need and request. That means I will personally talk to you via live stream either here on YouTube or on Picarto about what challenges you are having in your given subject. I'll critique a picture or two of yours if you wish and answer any questions you have on techniques and materials. So what will you get for your $20 via PayPal in US dollars? You also have to be 18 or older. You'll get an hour of personal one-on-one discussion and instruction. I will discuss as many topics as you wish within the hour. If you want to follow along with the tutorial, you can email me your artwork that you're having trouble with, and I will give it a red line or critique. If you're having challenges with a picture, just email it to me before we start. Make sure your internet connection is fast enough to handle a live stream video feed through Picarto or YouTube before you sign up. Here are a couple examples of ideas that we can go over. Basics of drawing, for example, how I build up simple shapes to make more complex characters, like if you're having problems designing your persona or you want to learn how to draw people better. Or if you have questions about Photoshop itself or Paint Tool Sai, if you're learning how to use your Wacom Tablet, tools in Sai or Photoshop, how to color, so different techniques. There's cell shading or rendering. If you have questions about how to use particular types of paint, like watercolor or acrylic ink. I'm going to be accepting payment through PayPal only. I'll arrange with you what time the sessions will be at to best meet your schedule and mine before payment is required. So if you'd like to have me help you with your art, please give me a direct message note here on YouTube, or you can email me at cybercatgraphics@yahoo.com. You can also contact me on one of my many art galleries like DeviantArt or Fur Affinity. I'm really excited to be able to do this, and I look forward to working with you. Hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.